Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit sent in by Tim in Chandler, Arizona. That's only about 4 hours away from me, so he can come and beat me up if his radio's not right, so I better make sure it's right. This is out of a 68 Ford Mustang, and Tim has requested the modern internal conversion with increased output power and also the Bluetooth feature. So we're going to run it through its paces before we send it back. First thing I'll do is go ahead and fire up the AM as it was originally. Got to find it. Okay, that's FM. Okay, this is AM. Come on, baby. Takes a while to find it sometimes. There we go.
State and winning the Mackey Award.
That's the one strong AM station I get. And while we got it on talk radio, we'll demonstrate the balance and fader.
With a little fade to James Conner and throw the flag.
Left, right, balance, left.
First down of the 31.
All the way right.
3 minutes into the second
left.
Quarter,
right.
Shotgun snap. Handoff Keontae
Okay.
Ingram.
And since this radio now has four amplifiers, we have a built-in front rear fader. It's in the tone control. I'll show you how to activate
Cooper
that.
First, Jonathan Cooper, outside linebacker.
Okay, first we start with our tone control roughly in the center position.
I like what we're seeing here.
Then we give it 2 turns to the right.
One back and 2
fader
adjust. So now the same control
coming out
is adjusting
trying to be
our
balanced.
front rear speaker balance. All the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, let's center the speakers.
They handle it. Second and 11 at the 30.
It's pretty well centered.
Empty set from McCoy.
Fader set. Okay, so now we'll return our tone control to how it sounds best. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know the Bluetooth is working. Okay, let's go to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So let's do that. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Del Taco, starting at 2 for...
Okay, so there's our AM operation. Let's try the 8-track, and on this particular unit, you turn the radio all the way down before you stick a tape in, because that tape's going to be loud. Okay, end of a song there, of course.
This advice that I give you, love. Like a barrel of donkey. Just for you is on my mind.
Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Alrighty, let's check the dial light. Okay, yep, I can just see it. Yep, you can see that green peeking out from under the station buttons when I flash that light on and off right about there. So there's that. Okay, so that concludes the test. Everything is working properly, and she's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And if you download and print the work order, that will answer all your questions about all my options and prices, including options for turn times. Turn time options will be on page 9 of the work order. I have a lot of people ask me that, and I cannot answer that question during a phone call. It's just impossible with my workload. I've got 40 or 50 units before yours. They're all 40 to 50 years old. They're all full of question marks as far as completion time goes. So I am not about to try to guess a turn time, but you can choose your own turn time by paying a little extra. That'll be on page 9 of the work order. So thank you, Tim, for your business from Chandler, Arizona, just about 4 hours away from me. Thank you guys for watching, listening, and we'll see you next time.